Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Jabra Elite 7 Pro. So first of all, you have to input the left and also the right earbud inside this charging case. And right now we have to click and hold these two buttons for around 10 seconds. And also take a look for the indicators. So keep holding them. And as you can see, when they flash 3 times on the purple, we have to close this case for 5 seconds. And now just wait a little bit. Okay, it's time to open them. So we can simply take them out of this charging case. And as you can see, right now they move to the pairing mode automatically. So right now when I go to pair new device, I can find them on the list with the new name. So when I click on them once, I can connect them. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.